the ultimate rustic modern interior design guide. Stylish furniture and decorative element ideas. The rustic modern interior design style seamlessly marries the raw, natural beauty of rustic elements with the sleek, clean lines of modern decor. This fusion creates spaces that are both warm and inviting, yet contemporary and sophisticated, making it an increasingly popular choice for homeowners and designers alike. At its core, rustic modern design celebrates the imperfections found in natural materials, highlighting wood, stone, and metal, while integrating modern aesthetics through minimalist lines and uncluttered spaces. To achieve a rustic modern look, start with the foundation: your choice of materials. Wood is an essential component, serving as a bridge between the two styles. Opt for reclaimed wood for flooring, beams, or accent walls. The character and history embedded in reclaimed materials add depth and authenticity, while their weathered appearance embodies Pair wood with other natural textures like stone and leather to establish a warm and organic base. Stone fireplaces, whether constructed from rugged river rocks or sleek limestone, can become focal points that anchor a room. Leather furniture pieces, such as a well-worn sofa or chair, contribute to the tactile richness of the space. A modern twist can be introduced through clean lines and functional furniture. Choose pieces that emphasize streamlined forms and geometric shapes, such as a glass-topped coffee table with a steel frame, or a minimalist sectional sofa. Incorporating metal accents, whether through furniture or accessories, can add a contemporary edge. Steel, chrome, and iron fixtures like lighting, table legs, or hardware provide a crisp contrast against the warmth of wood and stone. Color palettes in rustic modern spaces tend to be neutral, allowing the natural materials to take center stage. Shades of white, gray, beige, and muted earth tones create a calming background, while subtle pops of color can be introduced through textiles and artwork. Consider incorporating soft textured fabrics like wool, linen, and cotton in cushions, throws, and curtains to enhance the sense of coziness and relaxation. Lighting plays a pivotal role in bridging the rustic and modern elements. Opt for fixtures that combine industrial designs with understated elegance. This might include pendant lights with exposed bulbs, sleek metallic floor lamps, or chandeliers crafted from antlers or wrought earrings. The goal is to create a layered lighting scheme that highlights architectural features and adds warmth to the space. Decorative elements are where personality and creativity can truly shine. In a rustic modern setting, artwork and accessories should reflect both the natural world and contemporary art. Consider hanging abstract paintings that echo the color palette of your space or displaying sculptures made from reclaimed materials. Nature-inspired decor, such as botanicals or driftwood-inspired pieces, can further enhance the rustic charm. At the same time, modern decorative elements like glass vases or architectural prints can inject a sense of modernity. Incorporate greenery to create a seamless connection with nature. Indoor plants not only purify the air, but also add life and vibrancy. Consider a mix of large leafy plants and smaller succulents, strategically placed around the space for visual interest and balance. Lastly, personal touches ensure that the rustic modern space is uniquely yours. This can be achieved through heirlooms, travel mementos, or custom-made furniture pieces that reflect personal stories and tastes. Remember, the beauty of rustic modern design lies in its balance, the interplay between old and new, rough and smooth, warm and cool. By carefully selecting and combining these elements, you can create a home that not only reflects contemporary aesthetics, but also offers a comforting nod to the past.